What's up, what's up, what's up? YouTube, it's been a while. It's your brother Smokes coming at you. Alright, so check it out. It's been about 10 days since I had surgery on my ACL again. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And I gotta get back to work. I can't just be sitting around. I'm not gonna let this stop us. So I'm back at it again. Only doing light work though, on my own toys. I thought about it. So what are we working on today? All right, I had to get everything situated, connect the battery, and today we're gonna be working on the EG. A lot of you guys like this car. I've been having some issues, and I think today I'm gonna just start trying to address these things. I know it's gonna be something real small. I just did the pressure regulator. The car was running good. It fires up, it just loses pressure. So, quick little diagnostic for y'all. Oh man, it's kind of hard doing the show with one hand. All right, so here she is. Oh my baby, how I missed you. All right, enough of the yappers. I've been looking around like crazy for one of these. Had to take it from the shop's printer. Gotta do what we gotta do. Thankfully, Honda offers free software on their website, so I took that for a plus. Well, after hunting for all this shit, tucked it up so nice that nobody would ever know. It's right there. All right, we all plugged in now. Mind you, I ain't never used one of these things right here. I ain't never got on the Honda's S300 manager thing, but first time trying this. Let's go. All right. Film pump seems to be working. The check engine light is off. Let's try to start it. Nathan. Okay. Let's go on this thing. Alright, so after messing with this thing for a little bit, I couldn't figure it out at first. And I definitely wasn't even able to read the DTCs. So I don't know what the fuck I did, but I went ahead and I increased the fuel pump prime time from 2 seconds to 3 seconds. And we got this motherfucker rolling. Turned right on. No check engine light. Over here sweating. Oh, thing is super low. All right, let's check it out. What are we at? Focus. 52 pounds of pressure. Damn. I'm gonna have to read up on that one. At least for right now, I'm not doing any runs, but the baby is running again. All right, that wasn't that bad.